Today is Tuesday, November 21st. It's been a while, but today we're going to talk about, on our swing fix, we're going to talk about COM and COP. What do those two things mean? COM means center of mass. And center of mass means this. When we swing a golf club, if I was to dangle this golf club in front of me and I was to move my mass, as you can see, the laginator is shifting. It's swaying. Most golfers sway when they swing rather than rotate. Okay? Now, if I was going to use my COP, which means center of pressure, like I was standing on a big scale. So if I was to use this and I was going to do pressures, what you'll find is I'm going to pressurize the mat by boom. And now to the left. As you can see, my center of mass is not moving. So when we turn, we want to feel like we're turning rather than swaying. So when we sway, we move our center of mass off the golf ball, which relates to inconsistent shots, short shots. So when we set up, we want to feel the action of the board is down on the left-hand side by putting pressure down. So basically all I'm doing is feeling the pressure more into my left. I'm going to take the laginator back and I'm going to press down with my other foot. From there, when the ball drops, I'm going to press down with the other one and release. What happens a lot of times is you'll see players start back here, take the golf club up, the ball never dropped, and then they're going to keep their pressure by pulling their hands or leading the handle and then trying to flip on it. But if you notice, my right side is still down. Okay? So once again, that was the wrong way. So the wrong way is most people have their pressure back here. They take the golf club back. The ball never drops. They keep their pressure here and they pull the handle. And then they flip the hands. But in the same aspect, all my pressure is still back on my right side. So to get more accurate, more distance, okay, we're going to show you how to set up to a golf ball. You're going to feel more pressure with your left side. I push down the teeter-totter. I'm going to take the golf club back. The ball's going to drop. I'm going to push here, and I'm going to release. Okay? So to see this on actually a balance on our body track, to understand what all these different numbers mean, we're going to show you basically what we're standing on. And then, as you can see, I'm moving my feet left, right. So the body track mat is giving me my pressure and my center of mass. So in the top screen, if I move my body like this, you can see how my center of mass and my center of pressure are all moving to the right. That's not where we want to be. So I want to keep the top ball, which is our center of mass graph, and our bottom one, which is our center of pressure. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, there's pressure, more pressure on my left side, as you can see, 54. When I take the golf club to the top, you're going to see more pressure. Okay, and the center of mass barely moves, but you're going to see more pressure at the top of your golf swing. Now, when I start to come down, there's the pressure shift and the release. Okay, it's very important that when we hit a golf ball, is that we don't stay back here and keep the ball back here. I have 86% of my pressure and my power staying behind the ball. We want to feel like when we take the golf club back, we want to feel this kind of pressure shift. Back, ball drops, shift, rotate. And as you can see, all my pressure and my center of mass is moving forward. We've got some great devices this year. We have our balance track. We have our 3D imagery. Lessons are starting to fill up. You can go on 4Ts to check out the lesson schedule. Hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you soon.